Airdrop. The answer for this airdrop is simple. You have to speak like airdrop occur when the current flow through the metal layer in a chip, causing a voltage drop due to the resistance. So interview may ask like how can you solve the airdrop? So you have to give answer like airdrop we can solve by deciding the certain width, like appropriate width according to current. So you have to do metal width calculation according to current. So in the information of current value you should get from the circuit designer. You have to ask circuit designer how much this metal, this net carry current. So according to current value you have to decide the metal width. So generally in latest technology node there is some formula. So if that formula you have to enter the current value, you will get the metal width. So this way we can solve the airdrop. Next question is, how can you reduce the power dissipation using HVT and LVT in the design? So using HVT cell when there is a positive slack in the path, and use LVT cell when there is a negative slack. HVT cell have a higher delay and lower leakage, while LVT cell have a lower delay and higher leakage. Third question, what is the wire load model? The wire load model estimated delay based on the area and fan out, taking into account resistance, capacitance and the area of the nets. Fourth question, does crosstalk always leads to violation? Yes, the answer is yes. Crosstalk can cause the setup and hold violation because it adds a subtract energy to the signal. So next question is, how do positive or negative edge trigger flip-flops affect the setup and hold violation? So answer for this question is, positive edge trigger flip-flop reduce the setup violation, while negative edge trigger flip-flop reduce the hold violation. Guys, always remember you have to give answer in a short form, not in a detail. Interviewer may not interest in a detail or detailed explanation. He or she may wants your answer in a keyword form. So for this answer, the keyword is the positive edge trigger flip-flop reduce the setup violation, while negative edge trigger flip-flop reduce the hold violation. So always remember, provide answer as short as possible. Let's move next question. What are the inputs and the output of the placement? The input of the placement are, first is database with a valid floor plan, power ring and power strip width, spacing between VDD and VSS strip, physical partition information of the design, floor plan and placement like height, width, aspect ratio and utilization, and last the input is pin and pad position. Now what are the output of the placements? The output of placement is designed with power structure. So if you know more detail about this input and output, please do comment. So it will be useful for others. Whatever I know, I mentioned. If you have more detail about this question, please do comment. Let's move to the next question. If we increase the fan out of a cell, how does it affect the delay? So answer for this question is, increasing the fan out increase the capacitance load on the driver gate, resulting the longer propagation delay. Again I am repeating, the answer for this question is, if I increase the fan out, increase the capacitance load on the driver gate, resulting in a longer propagation delay. Clear? Let's move to the next question. What are the multi-driven net? Why we call it a multi-driven net? What it means? Multi-driven nets are nets with multiple drivers of the same or different signal strengths. Designers should avoid the multi-driven nets as they can lead to manufacturing defect and the post silicon verification failure. Next question, how do I fix EM or electromagnetic? This is a very basic question we have to answer. Do you know what is the electromagnetic? If you don't know, you can go into this website. You will get the exact answer with keyword. What again I'm repeating, every answer has some certain keywords, so that you can find in this website. Go and check for this question. So how do you fix electromagnetic? So first thing is we need to increase the metal width, downside the driver, add the more wire, spread the cells, avoid the corner bend. There are multiple solutions for electromagnetic. Let's move to the next question. What are the melee and more? Melee means what? In the keyword, if I say output depend on input and the present state, it called a melee. While more is more. Output depend on the present state, only on the present state. It's called more. So I'm not saying this is the definition of melee and more. So according to question, what are melee and more? In the keyword form, I'm giving the explanation. Melee means output depend on the input and the present state, while more means output depend only on the present state. So if you want to more detail about physical design interpretation or layout design interpretation or analog layout design interpretation or a memory layout interpretation, you can visit this website called www.semiconwiki.com. Guys, this website you will find the exact answer of your all question. And if you have any question, just do comment. We will add in this website, and if you know the answer, it will be well and best for us. We will mention your name also. Don't share your email address or contact detail. We will not. Just share your name along with question and answer. We will definitely put the name or your name, question name and question answer if we find it is suitable. Again, I am repeating, we will not need your contact detail, email address. We will need your name. We will mention your name in our post. So please, if you have an inter question which we don't know, which we don't have in this website, please do comment. We will add. Thank you for watching our channel. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel. Please. Thank you so much.